As digitalization accelerates, small and medium-sized campuses have become key carriers for industry innovation. However, traditional campus network solutions face the dilemma of balancing low construction costs and high quality. To address this dilemma, Ruijie Networks has proposed the innovative solution One Device for One Network solution, ODON 2.0. This solution revolutionizes the traditional network architecture and creates a simplified network architecture for on-premises deployment. In this solution, one ODON master device is used to manage all devices on an entire network. With multiple slots and small expansion modules, the device allows flexible configuration and remote unit (RU) management, enabling zero-touch provisioning (ZTP) and plug-and-play of RUs. In this way, one network can be deployed using only one ODON master device. Access devices come in various forms, such as those using Ethernet cables to the room, indoor RUs, and wireless APs. Users can select deployment modes, either traditional Ethernet or direct cabling to the room. Take a 3-story office scenario with 500 information points as an example. In a traditional solution, core switches, firewalls, routers, and other devices need to be deployed in a core equipment room, and aggregation and access switches need to be deployed in floor ELV rooms. Assume that the average cabling distance is 37 meters. About 20,000 meters of Ethernet cables are needed in total. In contrast, in ODON, only one multifunctional integrated switch needs to be deployed in a core equipment room, slashing device investment by over 50%. At the access layer, both rack mounting in ELV rooms and indoor deployment are adopted, reducing the total cabling amount to less than 4,000 meters. The average cabling distance of information points is decreased to 7 meters. The cabling amount is reduced by 80%, and construction period is shortened by 40%. In this way, the overall cost of network construction is reduced by 30%. ODON employs the embedded RG-INC ENB management platform, eliminating the need to install servers separately. This platform enables rapid network deployment, automatic topology generation, integrated display of wired, wireless, and security, service monitoring, and other functions, achieving network-wide status visualization in just 1 second. ODON 2.0 with simplified architecture, full scenario adaptability, multi-dimensional cost decrease, and intelligent O&M serves various industries, including enterprise, education, healthcare, government, and service sectors. It supports diversified scenarios with a scale of thousands of users, helping small and medium-sized campuses simplify networks and realize digital upgrades. ODON 2.0, simplifying small and medium-sized campus networks.